The best meatball recipe. Hello my friends. It's very cold today, so I want to make some great meatballs. This is my mom's secret recipe. I want to cook them together with all of you. You are ready? These meatballs are usually made from pork, but you can use any minced meat. For the best taste, choose fresh, aromatic pork with a light milk smell. I cooked 35 ounces of fresh meat for the recipe. In addition to pork, the meatball recipe needs mushrooms 7 ounces, shallots 7 ounces, garlic half an ounce, potatoes 7 ounces. For flavor, you need hot pepper, black pepper, salt, coriander, and milk cream. I want to share my little secret with you. The meatballs are delicious if you fry the onions, garlic and hot peppers with the olive oil. It's godlike. I divide the minced meat with spices and vegetables into equal portions. Each meatball in the recipe weighs 3 ounces. This will make all the balls the same size. But you can do it if you like. In this recipe, a regular chicken egg is used as breading. It makes a nice crust and retains the flavor inside. If you like soft meatballs, cook them at the end under a saucepan lid. Delicious impressions. Friends, if you liked my video, thumb up and click on the bell to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.